Let's start with EPS, Expanded Polystyrene Thermal Boxes. We offer two different types, a standard and a premium. Our standard EPS boxes provide reliable insulation, making them ideal for food deliveries, catering supplies and other temperature-sensitive goods. Our premium range features thicker walls for enhanced thermal performance, making them better suited for medical supplies, pharmaceuticals and other high-valued chilled goods. If you'd rather convert your existing cartons into an insulated pack, our insulated box liners are a smart and flexible solution. These liners feature a reflective foil outer layer, helping maintain internal temperatures for approximately 12 to 24 hours, ideal for short duration journeys. All liners come with a peel and seal strip, creating a secure, water-resistant enclosure that keeps contents protected during shipping. If sustainability is a priority, our paper-padded insulated box liners are an excellent eco-conscious alternative. The paper construction provides both cushioning and temperature control, helping to protect delicate and perishable goods during transit. They are particularly popular with brands looking to reduce plastic use without compromising on product protection or presentation. Now let's talk about our wool insulated liners, a standout choice for businesses looking for natural performance without using synthetic materials. Made from sheep's wool, these liners are renewable, biodegradable and fully recyclable. Wool has natural temperature regulating properties, meaning it slows down temperature change rather than simply blocking it, helping maintain stable internal conditions, particularly important for fresh produce, meal kits and temperature-sensitive healthcare products. For brands wanting a strong sustainable message, alongside reliable thermal performance, wool liners strike that balance perfectly. Insulation works best when paired with the right cooling solution. Alongside our existing range of gel packs and ice sheets, we offer a new range of dry ice, ideal for frozen goods and ultra-low temperature shipping. Dry ice provides significantly longer lasting cooling performance and is particularly effective for extended transit times or high-value frozen products. To learn more about our thermal packaging range and explore more packaging products, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.